Hello, friends. Have you ever experienced the trouble of forgetting your Apple ID? Here we have a solution to bypass the Apple ID passcode for you guys. For solving this issue, we recommend the forward key. Download and open forward key. Click Unlock Apple ID. Plug your iPhone 13 into the PC. Tap Trust on the phone. Enter the device passcode. Then click Start Remove. Make sure you have done these 2 steps before start. Confirm that your device has set up a screen lock. And confirm that 2-factor authentication is enabled on the device. All these have done. Click Download. When finished, click Start Remove. Waiting for a while. The iPhone will go into the Hello screen. When the screen shows Unlock with passcode, tap it and go on. Now the Apple ID passcode has been bypassed successfully with forward key. Thanks for watching. If this video is helpful to you, please help us with a thumbs up. See you next time.